So we're talking about Stellify and how you can get a $25,000 trade line reported to your credit, which will lower your utilization. But before we get there, if you're interested in just going ahead and get started, link is down in the description. So Stellify is a platform that allows you to link your streaming services, your utilities, your rent, that then reports to all of the credit bureaus, including the data furnisher Innovis. So we're talking about Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and Innovis. And it reports these as on-time payments when you make the payments through the profile. Now, Stellify has two packages. The first one is Stellar Lite. Now, this one, the Lite one, will report a $500 paid off credit card to the credit bureaus. So that will lower your utilization slightly, $500. But if you do the Stellify Prime membership, this will actually add a $25,000 or what looks like a $25,000 credit card to your credit report. So for example, if you have maxed out credit cards and then you add this will lower your utilization and raise your credit score, because now it looks as if you have $25,000 in available credit. Okay, so this is something that a lot of people can use. You're already paying for Netflix. You're already paying for, your utilities. You're already paying for your other streaming services, and you're already paying, your rent. So why not add this to get that extra benefit? Because I see a lot of people out there that want to get access to like business funding and things like that. Well, the way you do that is lower your credit utilization, because when it comes to business credit cards, business loans, any personal loans, or if you want to get more credit cards, the first thing they're going to look at is your credit utilization. The second thing they look at is your credit score. The credit score determines the interest rate, but the eligibility always starts with your credit card utilization, your credit score for the interest rate, and then your income as far as how much money they're going to give you. Okay, so they look at all of these factors, but the biggest thing is your credit utilization. If you have 100% paid off credit cards, you can essentially get your hands on, on any credit product that you want. But if it's somebody that's battling with this, well, you need something like Stellify. This allows you to decrease the utilization and raise your score, so you look a lot more responsible. You look a lot better on paper. Okay, and they've created this product to assist people with not just that, but also to report more things to your credit. Because paying Netflix does nothing for you but waste your time when you watch shows or your favorite show, okay? And it's a pretty simple process. You can sign up for free and start linking these accounts. So if you're ready to get started, link is in the description.